Oh, now that's good.
It smells fantastic.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's hearty, and it's something that I would just sort of chow down on.
For Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month, we've invited customers to spice up their day with AAPI Taste Test. Here's what they had to say.
I'm Laos, so we make a lot of stir fry and pad thai.
My grandma has a lot of dishes that she learned when she was back in China.
Typically think of Polynesian or Hawaiian.
My dad used to make chicken katsu curry, which is like Japanese curry, and it's super good.
Umami all day.
Sweet and savory at the same time.
A lot of fresh fish, locomoco.
Orange chicken, sometimes a little spicy.
Spicy.
I'm a stir fry kind of girl.
Growing up in New York, it's Chinese food.
I love exploring different kind of textures and different kinds of foods.
Okay, and are you ready to try some?
Yeah, I'm ready.
So this is native to South Asia. It's a really popular Indian dish, and it is a flatbread stuffed with mashed potatoes.
It reminds me a lot of a Chinese dish that my grandma makes. We just call it like Chinese pizza.
That's like a good combination of sweet and a little bit of spice.
I will go back for more.
Medieval breakfast. Yeah.
Commonly seen throughout Taiwan and southern China. It's braised pork, and it translates to like a stewed meat.
Oh, now that's good.
It reminds me of my childhood, for sure.
Slightly smoky flavor that I find quite appealing.
That's good. It's really good.
I love the brown egg because that's something that we do in Vietnam.
It's very flavorful. It has the right saltiness. It's very Vietnamese.
What do you like about this dish?
Apparently a lot because I'm making a mess.
So this is a sweet Vietnamese coconut-based dish. Depending on how thick you make it, it could be a beverage, it could be a soup, it could be like a pudding.
I could be wrong, but I think these are like tapioca pearls. So it definitely reminds me of like boba.
Took me to my childhood.
At first, it gives me a burst of coconut, a burst of tropical fruit.
So good. Do you want to bite?
That's what a dessert should be.
This is pretty straightforward.
Yum.
It's a soy sauce and ketchup mixture, actually, which is pretty prevalent throughout like a lot of Asian dishes.
Favorite part about this is the tomato.
It reminds me of something my mom makes every morning.
Oh, it smells good too.
You get the sweetness of the tomato.
You're 4 for 4. This is amazing too.
Celebrating cultures is important because
It allows people to appreciate what's different about other people.
For me, it's also passing it down to my daughter. Laos is a part of her, is important to me, and understand where she also came from too.
Learning the history about dishes, yeah, definitely makes you appreciate the dish more and where it came from.
It's a way of passing down traditions. It's a way of honoring, your grandparents or the ones before that or the ones before that.
We try to live together and understand each other and blend as much as possible. That's why, understanding the culture is very important.
What's better than just listening to someone? It's eating something.
My friends and I have done potlucks where everyone will make a dish. It's a perfect way to have an excuse to celebrate each other and where everyone comes from.
Happy Asian American and Pacific Islander Month.
Happy AAPI.
Happy AAPI month.
Happy AAPI month.
Happy AAPI.
Happy AAPI month.